Hello friends, I remember a case of a patient who came to me around 2 months back. He was having abdominal pain. He had continuous stools for last 8 to 10 days and he had been to all big doctors, physicians and gastroenterologists and his complaint was not better. On examination on history, I found out that this patient was full of anxiety. This patient was full of overthinking. And when I went to the notes of the other doctors also, I came to know that this man was suffering from irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome essentially is a condition where the main problem is because of thinking too much, the main problem is because of anxiety. We took a detailed history, a detailed case taking which lasted for a long time and came out with constitution homeopathic drugs and gave it to him. He came after 2 weeks and said, "The doctor, since I've started your medications, I have had no episode of acidity, I have had no episode of retrosternal burning, I have had no episodes of stools. I just go once or twice a day and my stools are well formed and not sticky stools which used to form." Friends, this patient came to us for 3 consecutive follow-ups and he's feeling continuously better, which goes to show that homeopathy, yes friends, homeopathy has a good scope in management of irritable bowel syndrome. I have seen hundreds of cases of irritable bowel syndrome, which we call as IBS, in last 15 years of my practice and more than 20-25 years of being in homeopathy, friends. And nothing else works so wonderfully as homeopathy. We most importantly give constitutional medications where we understand the mind of the patient. Are you anxious? Do you think a lot? Do you always feel that this disease, is it my disease? I will get this disease. You get fear of diseases. You don't get good sleep. You keep on thinking all the time. What will happen? You think, you overthink. You care for your kith and kin so much that you feel that you will fall ill someday. You don't go out in hotels because you feel that you'll get infections. So such type of people who overthink, who have anxiety, they develop irritable bowel syndrome. And friends, homeopathy, we take care of the mind and these problems get sorted out. And well, we have a lot of specific drugs as well, like aloe socratina, like argentum nitricum, like lycopodium, and all these important drugs which also help us. There are hundreds of drugs, sulfur, belladonna, we have argentum group. So friends, I am urging you again, if you have irritable bowel syndrome, please meet your local homeopath because he or she will solve your problem. I am Dr. Rahul Joshi and I am based in Mumbai. My number is 93239-71760. I repeat, 93239-71760, and I do online consultations in more than 15-16 countries and all over India. So if I can be of any use to me, please contact me. I'll help you out. And friends, again reminding you that homeopathy is offering some great treatment in cases of irritable bowel syndrome. Thank you.